Hello everyone, welcome back to Nisha's Box. Hope you all are doing great. You all are safe at home. I'm really thinking of you all. This past 4 or 5 months has been really tragic, really disaster for all of us due to this lockdown, due to this pandemic situation. But yes, few positive things happened, and we should really appreciate that. And in this lockdown period, we all have discovered something new. I have discovered few great skincare products in this period, and I'm gonna share the review with you all. Today's video I have chosen Scent Botanics night cream, which is vitamin C, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid brightening night cream, which is just gem from Scent Botanics. And another product from Scent Botanics is this Basta Coffee peel off mask. These two products have been the best. So I'm gonna be sharing the review. So let's get started. So at first I'm gonna be talking about this vitamin C, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid brightening night cream. So just look at the packaging of it. It looks so amazing, and the product is amazing as well. So I am at my late 20s and I want to try out some of the anti-aging thing that came across my news feed, and I was searching for an anti-aging cream, though it is not the correct time to use it. But I would recommend that if you are at your late 20s, you should try to use this anti-aging night cream that you can find with the signs of the aging at the early 30s, and so that you can avoid having wrinkles and having fine lines on your face. And if you are having a very dry skin or very sensitive skin, you should try it earlier at the late 20s. So this was all I have googled, and I just came to know, and I just shared the information. So this night cream is just versatile, and it suits every skin type, whether you are a oily skin people like me, or you are a dry skin people, or you are normal or sensitive skin people. It suits everyone. And as you know that vitamin C is so much essential for our skin to make it brighter, tighter and the healthier looking skin. Night cream is enriched with natural ingredients that make your skin look healthy, glowy, and it keep your skin moisturized and really make your skin tighten. Night cream is formulated with pure and natural ingredients, combines with the essential oil and plant extracts and some of the vitamins. Most amazing part is this night cream is free from sulfate, mineral oils, and it is completely paraben free. So let's see its packaging. So it comes in a basic cardboard box like this. The packaging is very impressive. All the details are written over there, and here is the star of the show. Just look at the jar. It looks so rich, and it also comes with a separator so that the things are not messy. So yeah, the packaging is really good. How to use it? Just add it to your CTM routine in the place of your regular night cream, and I'm sure you won't regret it. Just wash your face and pat dry. After that, apply this cream all over your face and neck, and massage gently in a circular motion and leave it overnight, and it will do its work. So let's talk about the price. 50 gram of product, and it cost only $11.99. I would say according to the quality, the price is just justified. It would not have been better than this. This night cream has really worked awesome. My mom is in her late 50s, and she also uses this, and this works wonderfully on her. So I would suggest that this is just awesome, a night cream. If you are at a door of 30s, or you are at late 30s or late 20s, you should try this night cream to overcome with the fine lines and the sign of aging. And this product is just gem. So the next product from the Saint Botanics is my favorite, which is this Robusta coffee peel off mask, which is enriched with coffee, caffeine and cocoa butter. So as we all know, coffee is a versatile ingredient for all our skincare need. And peel off masks are really very essential for our skin, because cleansing with face washes are like just cleansing the surface of your skin. Washes can't clean the impurities of your skin from the inside, and it doesn't help with the whiteheads and blackheads. So combining these two formulas in one product is just awesome. I just love the idea of the coffee peel off mask. So this works wonder on your skin, and it works on every skin type. So this is again a very plus point for this product. And this particular product helps to unclog the skin pores and also helps in removing the whiteheads, blackheads and dead skin cells from your skin and make it looking smooth and very glowy. Contains the natural moisturizing agents in it, which very helpful for our skin to make it supple looking and to make it really soft. The most amazing part, it is also paraben free, sulfate free and mineral oils free, and it is also a cruelty free products, and you all know that I love cruelty free products. So a big thumbs up for this peel off mask. So let's see the packaging. So it also comes in a box like this. All the ingredients and the manufacture date and the expiry date are written. And now here is the product. It comes in a tube packaging like this, and it has a tip top opener, so it's very easier to apply this product. Talk about the pricing. So it cost 499 rupees for 100 gram of products, and every single penny is justified for this product, and I'm sure you will love it too. How to use it? Just gently wash your face and pat dry and apply this product all over your face and neck. Avoid the eye area and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes, or if you need more than that, you can keep it, and then you just need to peel it off from the side of your face. So I hope this review was helpful. Saint Botanics products are available on every major online store, whether it is Nykaa, Flipkart or Amazon. And also the products are available on the Saint Botanics website, so you can just check it out. I have linked down below, and you can grab amazing discounts on their website. There are always sale going on, and yeah, if you want to know more about Saint Botanics and you want to see more products from Saint Botanics to review for, please let me know in the comment section below, and I would love to do it for you all. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.